In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Perplexity AI. This is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially if you find yourself using the application for extended periods or working in low light environments. So let's dive right in and make the experience a bit more comfortable for your eyes. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Perplexity AI website. You can do this simply by typing www.perplexity.ai into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site if this is your first time visiting. You'll notice it has a clean, modern look, which makes it quite intuitive to navigate. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page. You should see a small arrow icon, which usually indicates additional options or a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on this arrow. This is going to reveal a set of options that you can personalize according to your preferences. With the drop-down menu open, look for an option labeled Preferences. Clicking on Preferences will take you to a page where you can further customize your Perplexity AI experience. This page is a hub for various settings that you might want to adjust at some point, but today we're focusing on enabling dark mode. On the Preferences page, scan for a category that says Appearance. This is where you'll find the options related to how the Perplexity AI interface looks. Click on Appearance to make the relevant settings visible. You might notice a few different options for tailoring your visual environment, which can come in handy for creating a comfortable and efficient workspace. Now that you're on the Appearance settings page, you should see an option labeled Dark. This is the feature we're interested in for enabling dark mode. Simply click on Dark and voila! You should see the interface instantly switch to a darker theme. This mode is designed to be gentler on your eyes with its muted color palette set, particularly beneficial if you're sensitive to bright screens. If at any point you decide that you prefer the standard mode or another theme, you can always return to the settings page and make adjustments. That's the beauty of personalization. It adaptates to your needs at any moment. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Perplexity AI. This small change can make a significant difference in your user experience, especially during those late night sessions or when you're spending long hours in front of the screen. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and if you have any other questions about customizing your Perplexity AI setup, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Enjoy exploring Perplexity AI in a way that suits your comfort.